This is elevator B, the service elevator at the Fred M. Rogers Center at St. Vincent College in Indiana Township, Pennsylvania. This is another TK Aurora with a washer system. It's a really wide 2-speed door. And it has a man BP call button as well. Got the 2. This one has the band BP buttons on the inside as well, not the other one. This one's brighter. Here we go. Here are 2. Workshop. That's interesting. Number 1. It's a basic hospital-sized cab. The floor's a bit dirty from all this materials being loaded. Here we go, 1. And that's going to be it.